ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट टर्न पे हमने डिस्कस किया था व्हाट इज़ सिंपल स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन। आज हम उसी के कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स लेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बोलता है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है ए रॉड 150 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग एंड ऑफ डायमीटर इज 2.0 सेंटीमीटर इज सब्जेक्टेड टू एन एक्सियल पुल ऑफ 20 किलो न्यूटन. If the modulus of elasticity of the material of the rod is 2 into 10 raised power 5 Newton per mm square, determine the first one is stress, second one is the strain, and third one is the elongation. So as you know that stress is basically load per unit area. So first you have to solve the question. You have to write down the given data. Here you say in the question, length of the rod is 150 centimeter. So you should convert that centimeter unit in meter, because the unit of the stress Newton per mm square. So that should be in meter. Long and diameter of 2.0 centimeter, that will be converted into mm, or you can say in meter. And the load will be given at 20 kilonewton. So that will be 20 Newton. So that is 20 multiplied by 1000 Newton. So stress is equal to P upon A. By putting the value of load 20 multiplied by 1000 Newton divided by pi area. What is area? Area is basically of the rod is pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square. By putting the value of diameter, and the diameter is given 2.0 centimeter. So dia will be 400 meter. When you putting the value of 400 meter, so you get the value of 100 pi. So the value of stress is calculated is 63.662 Newton per mm square. Second one is strain. What is strain? As you know, by Hooke's law, stress is directly proportional to strain. That means sigma equal to E into small e. Sigma is denoted by stress, small is denoted by strain. So as you, strain is equal to E divided E equal to sigma upon E. As you calculated in the previous section, sigma is 63.662 by putting this value of sigma divided by modulus of elasticity. That is given in the question is 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 Newton per mm square. You get the value of strain, that is 0.00318. ये इसका आंसर होगा, बिकॉज एंड देयर इज नो यूनिट, बिकॉज स्ट्रेन इज डायमेंशनलेस यूनिट. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द elongation. As you know, strain is equal to change in dimension divided by original dimension, and the what will be the change in dimension? That is the length. That means change in length divided by original length. So the elongation dl is equal to E into L. What will be the E? E is already calculated in the previous section, 0.00318. By putting these values are here, multiply by 150, that is the length. Then you get the elongation in terms of centimeter, that is 0.0477 centimeter.